Muvia wa Kuikiithya Usuviiku Maleluni Ntsa Nukwithiwa Uyambiia Walanio Mweu wa Nzia cia Matuku Kwisila Mutandao Vala Enenthi Makethiawa Matonya Ukwata Mavalua Ngali Kana Logbook Kwisila Mutandao Vate Kunyamaa Waumbulwa ni Mungamii Munene Muviani engineer Nashon Vala ainena na ndeki mama uvo kimanisioni cha seku kauntini ya Kitui waweta kana Enenthi aingi methitwe mainyamaa Ukwata Mavalua maofisini na Vala Walanio Ukwithiwa uyete uthukumi wa serikali vakuvena Enenthi na kuola mukuo wa Enenthi kutambuka kuasa kumantha Mavalua na kana Mavalua na alama kuwa ivinda ya sakumakwata maofisini ma Muvia wa Ntsa Kimanzi osea ayelipota
ainena nandiki mamovo kimanyisioni nja seku Nashon niwawetakana Enenthi aingi methitwe mainyamaa kukwata Mavalua Ngali kana Logbook maofisini ma Muvia wa Ntsa aiwetakana Kwisila uthukumi wa Mutandao Enenthi Makethiawa Matonya kukwata kwa mituki Mavalua Vate kutambuka maofisini ma Muvia
that Kenyans go through when they are trying to seek some papers, especially regulatory and licensing papers. We have tried to make our online services very efficient, and I think Kenyans can appreciate that. But then when it comes to output, basically people collecting physical documents, it becomes a challenge. And this has become a source of corruption, source of bad reputations, and also just to make life of the people that need these papers easy, and to make ease of doing this life of Kenyans a bit easy when dealing with government institutions. You see, generally our theme of Ntsa is we want to reduce government in people's lives.
Kavindani kau aiwetakana Kwisila uthukumi wa Mutandao uvaniwe kuvetanga ulusani na wangangania yulu wa Mavalua Muviani wa Ntsa.
As we speak, those physical logbooks are forged left, right and center, and Kenyans don't know, and even some of our staff don't know a forged logbook, because initially they were just signatures that are put there with a pen, and anyone can do that. And even those papers, people with the coming of AI, you can actually say to tell AI, produce for me a template of this Kenyan logbook, and you'll get it. So these are things we are trying to do. We are also trying to be commit crime every single day. You know, when a major crime happens, there's always a vehicle around it. And who is the custodian of vehicle registry? Ntsa. We also want to be able to know who was in charge of this vehicle at this particular time. And also asset financing. We want our ways to securely.
Walanio wa kunengana Mavalua Kwisila Mutandao uvaniwe kuambia Matuku 30 mwezi twathi wa thanthatu wina kithito cha kwelia uthukumi wa Muvia
to announce that we are going to launch in June 10th, 2026. That is around 1 month from today. Electronic vehicle registration certificate, or what we call
Girivodia vilingwa movo kuma baki manyisioni cha seku kaundine ya Kitui ozea Kimanzi.